Hello, my spooky darlings. Welcome to this episode of Dark and Spooky, featuring creepy and mysterious videos from across the internet. If the real world is feeling a little too dark, click the subscribe button and add some spooky. The world isn't that scary when you know how terrifying the paranormal can be. Now let's dive in to this episode's clips. Originally posted to Reddit, this clip features a strange little creature poking from behind a rock. You'll be able to see the creature better after the flashlight is turned off and comes back on. What is this creature? An elf? A duende? What do you think this is? An escaped monkey from the zoo? Or something else? Suzanne Berglund of Sweden caught this clip via an underwater camera in Lake Sturven. This map shows where the sightings of the lake monster are most concentrated. Here's some video footage of the lake monster. This lake is said to be home of a lake monster named Sturzidgaret, meaning the lake monster. While this is spooky, it's not the only thing found in this lake. In addition to strange creatures in the lake, in the 1980s, there was an embryo in a jar found in the middle of the lake. The jar can be seen at the lake center, but is inconclusive if it is in any way related to the lake monster. Could it be an Elasmosaurus, a type of dinosaur, or something else? In this video, Exploring with Angelo explores a haunted satanic cult forest alone.
I don't think that was ever there. That seems new.
Bernadette.
Bernadette. Who is Bernadette? She's somebody connected to these woods somehow. So one time we were here, I think it was the last time I was here actually. It might have been around here somewhere, maybe a little further up ahead, but we literally found what looked like a ritual with some like burn stuff in there. So we could find something again, I don't know. Carol, getting a lot of names. Common theme here apparently. Lots of names.
My family is here.
Whoa, my family is here. Okay. is that noise? Hello?
A tapping sound can be heard in the woods along with him.
That was definitely
What is it?
noise. There's no way.
What creature lurks
I don't see nothing.
that can tap against a tree?
Hello? You know, I'm gonna go back for a second just to check. What the was that? Hello? Okay, that was really strange. My ear is suddenly ringing for some reason. Ugh, bugs in here. Alright, well, is there anybody here with me?
Judas Cradle.
Okay, that's an interesting one. Nothing yet. Spirits, entities of the woods here, whatever might be here, come through, use my energy and speak on this board.
Edith.
Is there anything here with me? Oh, I'm feeling something. Like some sort of energy. Yes or no? Is there something here with me? If there is, go to yes. If not, well then don't do anything.
Elijah.
This is really scary.
Viking.
I heard something. Viking. What? Alright. So when you're doing this alone, sometimes it does take a little bit longer. Sometimes not. Sometimes it does. It's usually easier with two people, but unfortunately we ain't got two people. And even if I invited Brad, he probably wouldn't do this with me. There's no freaking way. Is there something here with me? Oh. Zero? What the hell is that supposed to mean? What's zero mean? For a second, it almost sounded like something was like rubbing the tent. M
Board.
E, and it literally just said board. Like game board, I guess. What? Okay, that's spooky. Yes, this is a board. It's called a Ouija board. Just heard something move outside the tent. Is there somebody outside the tent? Yes or no? Why does it keep going at zero? And it also sounds like something just walked up to the front of the tent. What is that? There's something out there.
Like.
Okay, I'm gonna end the session for a second, okay? I'm closing off the session. What did I just do? I stopped. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Well, that was weird. It literally walked as it walked. It literally sounded as if...
Stacy.
What the was that? Nope, no. That's... I don't know what the hell that was. I don't know if I want to know what the hell that was. Okay, somebody tell me what that was. Just keep that a little closer. I don't know what that was. That was a really scary noise. It's getting a little hard to breathe in here. Okay, you know what? This is... What are we doing? We're literally in the middle of the woods, playing with a f***ing Ouija board, trying to communicate with some sort of demon or something. I don't even know at this point, but... What is that? Okay. Is whatever just made that noise still here? Can you answer on this?
Vision.
Vision? What?
Is Angelo brave or is he stupid?
Okay. What in the hell was that?
Two explorers from YouTube's Barrier Beyond tour a church closed after the last exorcism was performed. Listen to the fear in these explorers' voices as they react to the words and sounds heard in this empty building.
What?
I don't know.
What?
What the f was that?
That was a straight up yell.
You know?
What's your name? I heard that. Oh my god! Victor! No. Here, get the camera. Dude,
What?
get me down here. Something just straight up like...
Up there?
Yeah, straight up. That was loud.
A couple moved into a condo to soon discover strange and spooky occurrences happening in their home. This footage of them sleeping is especially spooky. Is that the bed moving? The dog doesn't seem fazed. More doors opening. Here the dog seems to be paying attention. It is said that cats can see the paranormal. In this video by Happy Fox Productions, it appears that the paranormal is playing with the cats. Here it is again. Zoomed in, you can see the shadow that the first cat on the left is looking at. After the shadow appears, the second kitty comes through to take a look. In this clip, a woman is being interviewed by YouTuber Triske about an experience she had at her home. In the beginning, the homeowner talks about hearing knocks on the door one evening and opening the door to find a young man dying. Apparently, he had been stabbed at a party and that was happening nearby. Though the homeowner tried to help, the young man did not make it, and the homeowner claims she hasn't been able to sleep ever since. Since the incident, there have been noises inside the home. The homeowner has been hearing the same types of knocks that the boy made the night he passed away. The homeowner is convinced the boy is haunting their home. When looking through the home, something startles Triske. Did you see that? Some type of figurine or item falls from a shelf without being pushed. In the next room, watch and see what happens. The homeowner talks about her experiences hearing sounds in the home, but behind her, a cabinet door opens on its own. As the homeowner continues to be interviewed, they find the cabinet door open yet again. During the interview, the homeowner talks about being held down in bed, feeling as though she is being caressed, and has even woken up with hickeys. Do you think this is the same person that passed in front of her door? Or is it something else? Let me know what you think in the comments. Here we take a look at a security camera. Notice the figure to the right of the screen. Is it a child? The strange thing is, while everything else in the video is very clear, the figure on the right is very unclear. What could it be? Is it a bug on the lens? Doesn't appear that way. What do you think? This next video proves that even brand new homes can be haunted. This video made the rounds last year. It's such a great capture. Notice there are multiple cabinets with doors opening and closing on their own. Fortunately, the little one in the foreground doesn't seem to care. Here we are again a bit closer. She just walked past these cabinets, so there couldn't be a string. She's noticing the other doors opening, but not the one behind her. In this video, a man appears to be searching around his home for something while filming. What is that? Is that a hat man? He goes back in to check it out. Nothing's there. At this moment, in the darkness before flipping on the light, it could have a jump cut. But it does appear to be a man in a hat. What do you think it is? I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Dark and Spooky Clips. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments. Like what you see? Give this channel a follow. No matter your race or creed, you can always enjoy a little dark and spooky. Stay spooky, friends.